On top inside Edo today, Edo state government don't put plans for ground to empower Edo women. Edo state government don't put ogbonge plans for ground to empower Edo women, make their life for better. Them they do this one with ogbonge collabo from Office of the Special Advisor on Top Community Development, Office of Special Advisor on Top Gender Matters, and Office of the Special Advisor on Top Strategic Planning and Program Monitoring. Make una sabi say this empowerment not be party matter, as Edo state government ready better the life of all Edo women, no matter the party or the group where the women join. Special Advisor to Edo State Governor on Top Community Development, Newman Ugiagbe Toka Masinde talk to Special Assistants and Senior Special Assistants for the meeting where them organize, say na Edo State Government plan to empower 500,000 Edo women and na 192 wards where dey the 18 local government areas for Edo State. Now this ogbonge empowerment go for shele.
Yes, Mr. Governor did not form one development committee for political reasons. That is why it crossed across party line. But I want to say one thing today. Every assignment that have been given to us since I assumed office a year plus now as Special Advisor Community Development, I think the sky is our limit. The meeting today is called on the instance of 3 offices. Office of the Special Advisor Community Development, Office of the Special Advisor Gender Equality at those days, Office of the Special Advisor on Project Monitoring and Project Management at those days. From today, we are a member of this established growth family. A family that we need to work together to develop our communities. A family that have to make sure that the developmental stride from our various wards is carried along with the state government agenda. So today, this administration of Godwin Obaseki, the governor of Edo State, has brought a new initiative to see how the women of Edo State can be fully empowered. The governor identified that over time, women have been so neglected in the scheme of things as far as development and government is concerned. So that is why you see today in the state cabinet, in the state health school, all these women we see now, now position give them. The soon now when the health is today, now see women men inside, you get percentage we say women must be given. Have you not been so? Yes. But this one what we want to do now, the work first started some months ago. But it stands for already Olaka, Ego, Igwebe. Those are the 4 local governments. But in this one stage, we don't continue. But now, I don't think I'm so important saying this one what we want to do now and to empower our women. And the empowerment not be for APC. One development committee chairman, after today, with the SA will be the secretary to supervise with the SSS on local government. It's a 1-week project. Oga wants to make sure he empower a minimum of 500,000 women in Edo State between now and the next 3 months. Minimum 500,000 women. And the good thing is this. We have about 2,416 communities in Edo State as of today. And World Development Committee covers almost 98% of all communities. Which means, in various communities, 98% of it, there is one member of World Development Committee.
Special Advisor to Edo State Governor on Top Gender Equality Matter, Efosa Uyigwe constitute better light put on top waiting Newman Ugiagbe don't talk. As she talks, say this ogbonge empowerment, they come better Edo women life well.
I want to encourage you all. I know that we have communities where we don't have a representative. So those communities, please, ensure that they are captured, the women are captured in those communities that do not have a representative. And also the form that they will get, they will put their passport picture. Please, you tell them their passport photograph must be affixed to the form so that we will know who is who.
So I'm thinking if there's any way they can actually cut down this account thing, because most of them actually don't have account details. If there's any way we can reach them with tax account details, I think that will be easy and better.
Majority of people don't get account. It's easy these days. Contact me. There are agent bankers that can visit you and open an account for them that will match their name. Are you getting me? God says you are. You are a winner and not a loser. You are what God says you are. God, you know Masaki. You are what God says you are. You are what God says you are. You are a winner and not a loser. You are what God says you are. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4.
Now here we see this ogbonge informate reach on top waiting shele for inside Edo today. On top say Edo state government don't arrange ogbonge plans for grounds to empower Edo women, make their life for better. Make una sabi say na T Live Media and carry this ogbonge informate come give una. So they get more of this ogbonge tori, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Follow and like us for Facebook and Twitter for T Live Media. And una fit still log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com.